Quick spin.
Going to the base before the slam.
Asi kay Yao Ming. Honest, and that's a great attempt there by
Step, Rob Johnson inside, just being erased by Rob Johnson.
Asi Taulava, and look at this. Asi Taulava waiting for him, blocking his shot, and look at the stare down.
That will not work, but Asi.
A fall away by Eric Meng. To si Taulava! Si Taulava, that was a good offensive.
Cardona. Taulava dancing inside. He gets it. Was a foul. Injury that has already occurred in baseline. Laglag kay Asi Taulava. Jump shot into that.
What about that three? Taulava inside.
Binigay kay Raimundo. Balik kay Taulava. And a thundering slam.
Quarter, Jimmy Alapag sumaksak, pasa kay Asi Taulava. Pero
Alexander to Asi. Throw it down. With a monster.
Para kay Taulava. Here's Asi Taulava. Ito na naman siya. Strong move inside.
picking up foul number 2. Inside out.
21 seems to be blanked here by Tomitek's phone fouls. Just the second quarter now up 49-34.
Play again for Air 21. The air ball by Wesley Witherspoon and Asi. The rebound.
Ganda na pasa. Oh yeah. Ayun ang maganda of that pass by Kenneth Duremdes.
A dribble. Cariaso lead pass. Oh yeah.
They go to Taulava. His hook is good.
Asi going off the glass. Porcentos lamang, 5 pa silang tumitira. Back to Asi Taulava, kinaliwa.
That's grab by Asi Taulava.
Dito sa second quarter, Cariaso nasa
lead para sa Mobiline Hometown off this layup. The fast break play by Asi Taulava.
And the scoring continues for both sides as they exceed throughout.
college para sa pamanan ng
Allow me to reintroduce myself. Asi Taulava.
Oh. Asi Taulava, kinulog ng 4, kinulog ng 3.
Now the mental of Edlec is being tested. Sumagot naman si Asi Taulava. Time to get it right back.
Meaning sa third quarter. Spin by Asi Taulava. He up fakes. Ayun, talagang grabe. Asi Taulava na naman. At nabagsak na sa kanya nilagpag yung bola. Clearly an offensive foul. Physical player in number 10. After he initiates the contract,
Attacking. Lapas ni Taulava for the jump shot.
natira ni Taulava. He will take the jump shot. Let's see if the
By as much as 8 way back in the opening quarter to Taulava. They jump it inside. Taulava minus love.
and Asi wants to finish. Yun yung mga kasama natin. Exactly. Yung dinadalang sa lakas ni Asi Taulava. To the phone pass. Taulava pumihit. Almost lost the ball.
Ayan si Asi, nasa ilalim, mahirap pinto.
meron pa naman tangking ng
Finishes the quarter strong and they lead it by 16 after 1.
It's back to the phone pass. And Taulava wide open. Miller over to Taulava. Taulava, he has to take it. Miller.
We're going to stop Taulava here.
From Gindimpot, power play.
By as much as 8 way back in the opening quarter.
Hindi naman ito ang ultimate. Ito si Asi Taulava. Na mga defenders, si Gary yung Cardona no look pass. Bagay pass pa kay Taulava. Taulava muscles his way. Oh, here's Asi Taulava. He'll score.
Oh, tama. Ito lead pass. Asi Taulava can also break up the face.
That's a good shot. That again, Taulava just dominating.
Asi Taulava.
Ito na naman si Taulava. Faking. Asi Taulava! Yes!
Last shot time against si Taulava. Taulava gives us the lead. As what can you do? How can you ginahanap nila si Taulava early on? There's the turnaround baseline.
Harvey Carey. Pasa pala kay Asi Taulava. Slam from the rock. Asi Taulava.
Towering above everyone else.
Cardona looks up court. Nakita si Taulava. Look at the run!
Right now he's unstoppable.
Tomahawk.
Ganda na yung cut ni Leo Finito. Good extra pass. Oh,
Asi has plans. He has plans. This, Taulava.
The youngest female player fading away. Big shot by your veteran Asi Taulava. Hanap sila ng leader. Pumutos Asi Taulava.
Asi showing us the steps. The entire back.
Here's Taulava. Taulava working his way inside, and he will miss. One more try, and he will miss. One more try, and he will score.
The best angle from our replays, Mike.
Continues for both sides as they answering back after every score. Lava takes over right from the start of the third quarter. Run to open up a 9-point lead in just over 3 minutes of play in the second half. Taulava with another basket in the career high 26 points.
All-time best dito sa liga. Taulava. Taulava. Naman si Taulava. Faking. And he gets...
Sasali tayo dun sa Olympic qualifiers. As we take a look at this. Nice!
Si ulit. Taulava sa loob. Taulava gets to Cardona, drops it for Asti. Cardona, he probably would have tried to take that shot, but he knew on him already, making that extra pass, giving Asi Taulava that easy. This is Noy. Taulava goes middle. Taulava is fouled. Go one-on-one. Nonoy Baclao not able to handle Asi one-on-one. Asi getting Lava, PP hit. Taulava off the bag. Now giving them a better opportunity